Who is the one making these videos? Who is the one speaking? What's the identity behind it? If I can somehow move the conditioning of the brain that we call mind out of the equation, if I can see every moment with fresh eyes, free from adjective, free from memory, if I can use the entirety of my brain to be here now and present, no mind, no character, then am I not the voice of nature? Are we all not the voice of nature? Can you speak without an identity? Can we be so empty that the same force that's beating our hearts, growing our hair, and slowly growing this tree behind me, is the source of our mind, the source of the character that we've built up within there? Is it possible for that to speak? The one that is aware of the mind, of the thought, of the character. The one that's even aware of awareness. When you spend long enough in nature, you can see what the mind does. You can watch trees moving in the wind, agreeing to it. And you can pause and ask for a moment, what if a tree developed arrogance? What if a tree developed pride and said, I'm doing this my own way. I'm not going to let this wind move me. And it became rigid. Despite the fact that one beating my heart and growing my hair and growing me and growing the tree brought it into existence in a certain way, to be a certain way. It separates from that way, and with arrogance, pride, it says, I will not move in that wind. The tree will break. The branches will snap. Because it ignored the will of the one who made it. It ignored the wisdom of the one who made it. It chose to try to be as wise as the one who made it. And in that arrogance it damaged itself and the world around it. Is this not what we are all doing? With the mind and its need to control, to try to know better.